Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Recovery video. Visit their website to learn how the Grizzly Drive drum motor increases the reliability and reduces the cost of ownership of conveyor systems.
The biggest thing I worry about is, the lack of young people entering the industry. I think, we certainly have a lot of really, good experienced employees that are getting up in age and, are starting to think about retirement, and we really have to try to bring in that younger group that are our future leaders, whether it's, future managers, future, equipment operators, future sales reps. I mean, we need to get that excitement and recruitment of younger people into the industry.
Talk about inflation, and it can't keep on going up and up like that. And with all the packages that have been given to the economy and to the consumer to survive this weird time, is just, needing to be seen how it pans out. But given the fact that the global economy has been able to go through this time and come out okay on the other end, speaks for the wherewithal and the complexity and the ability to react to it, different from 100 years ago.
I think that the government will get together and pass an infrastructure bill, but if they don't, I think that's going to basically dampen the growth potential for the industry. The current consumer spending is driving a lot of the growth in our industry. As we do renovations, state funded and federal funding for highway projects is good right now, but it's not going to last forever. So we need that long-term infrastructure plan and spending to embolden the industry and continue the growth that we're seeing in it right now.
Thank you to Vandergraaf for sponsoring this Road to Recovery video. Visit their website to learn how the Grizzly Drive drum motor increases the reliability and reduces the cost of ownership of conveyor systems.